Hi, how's it going? Just providing this quick message on the importance of a good marketing offer, mainly with running Facebook ads for insurance companies. So my name is Brandon Spark. I run a marketing agency for insurance companies. We help them add 50 to 100k per month in policy sales. We do this for sort of lead generation, click to buy websites as well. So the reason I'm actually making this is because from a month of lead generation for one of our clients, this was a very, very large, important topic for us, the importance of a good offer. And I'm going to explain exactly why it's important, how to improve it, and how to actually get better results with the offer. So this is just a screenshot of the client last month. This was for the month of January, the whole month of July. But we generated them over 1,000 website leads at an average cost of £3.53 per lead. This was for a generation of actually cold prospecting through Facebook. So this is going to cold customers who had never heard of their brand, as well as also remarketing conversion campaigns to generate additional leads from people who have been on their website, looked through some of their products and not purchased and not become a lead. So this is a combination of retargeting as well as cold prospecting. So, optimizing the offer and selling their features ended with this client, obviously 1,062 leads at an average cost of £3.53. So we're going to go over how we're actually able to get these results from the importance of optimizing our offer. Why should you care about your offer? You're probably asking. Well, the pure easiness of the other lead and sale generation methods. Facebook is easily the hardest. So what I mean by that is, the fact that Google is very easy to use, just keywords, third-party lead providers, they'll transfer your leads in a heartbeat, really. Aggregators want you on their panel so they can monetize your schemes and obviously generate revenue for themselves. But the only problem is obviously the costs of that, keep going up. Facebook is actually the hardest marketing platform to use, but that's also why it's able to get some of the best and cheapest results. All right. You always want multiple streams of leads and sales coming in. So I'm not to say that you shouldn't be using these other platforms, but if you have multiple streams of marketing flow, it's going to be able to allow you to scale up much faster. So when do you know if you're running these Facebook campaigns when you've got an unmastered offer? Well, you know this when you're not getting no clicks, no conversions and no sales. So I'm basing this on that you've not made any major mistakes within the ads themselves. So I'm basing it on that you know roughly how to create an ad, how to set one up. But you've got an unmastered offer when you're not getting any clicks, nobody's resonating. You're stressed out. You're always trying to sort of think of different things that you can do. Should I offer a discount? Should we try this? Should we try that? You're always looking for like the next hack and the trick to try and get sales, basically. One of the main things, is you're lacking clarity on what you're actually trying to sell. So, quotes, sign up for newsletters, this type of stuff. That's when you really know that you've got an unmastered offer. When you've made that transition to a mastered offer where you're making sales, you're getting leads, people are interacting with your business in a positive manner. You know exactly, what tweaks you can make to get optimized results, and you're at peace with the process of your ads, and you're allowing them to run, you're allowing them to become profitable, and you're allowing them just to produce the type of leads that you want, basically. So, what makes a good offer with a Facebook ad campaign? Well, the offer is really what makes your product unique. What is the selling points to your product? Why should people come to you? What is your offer doing different that stands out from the crowd? So an offer can be a discount, so maybe like a 10% off for new customers, 10% off at renewal, some type of discounted price, maybe a friend referral. Maybe you're offering 0% interest for monthly installments. Maybe you've got some form of split payment set up. Obviously, these can be product features that are unique to your brand. So if you've got some type of special home cover that a lot of other companies don't provide, that type of stuff. And also, it can be the clear message on what you're wanting people to do as well. So that can be the offer. So that is really what the marketing offer is. It's something that stands out, that is unique to your brand, that you can utilize to sell on. So the clear message on what the brand you're wanting people to do is also the offer. So get the quote. To get the quote is the offer also. So here's some bad offers. Again, if you're watching this and this is one of your brands, I mean, no disrespect here at all. Just take it in your stride. I'm giving some feedback here. But these are, for my opinion, Facebook ads that I'm seeing on public libraries that are bad offers. So here's pet insurance, 1 month free flea and tick treatment. Okay, so pet insurance with 1 free, and that's fair enough. But you're also the main creative here is what people are seeing. They're probably not reading that too much, and it's 1 month free tick and flea treatment with Pup Start. The problem with that, and obviously the offer down here, is get 1 month free flea and tick treatment. The offer is quite skewed on what it is you're offering. If you're a new customer, if this is a cold prospecting campaign, you're not probably too familiar with what Pup Start is. So what's Pup Start? So are you selling insurance? Are you selling, flea and tick treatments? What is it you're actually trying to get your ideal customer to do? That message would have been a lot better to have pet insurance that includes 1 month free flea, tick and flea treatment. Just a slight wording change, a way to just alter that message would resonate a lot better with people. You're going to be able to get clicks that make sense, and you're going to be able to drive cheaper conversions, because the clicks that you are getting, people know exactly what they need to do and what it is that you're offering. If you've got an offer that's a little bit skewed and doesn't make 100% sense, you're probably going to get a few clicks, but you're going to just get people to leave the page because it's not what they expected. All right, moving on to this one down here. Insurance is as easy as A, B, and C. Obviously, that's what their brand is called, but it's just a very open-ended offer. Insurance, obviously there's a picture of a car, but is it just car insurance? Is there other type of things? Home insurance, pet insurance, van insurance? There's no features and benefits of what they offer. Why should they click that ad? Why should they stop scrolling through their Facebook? Stop watching pictures of dogs and cats? Why should they click on you to get insurance? There's also this one here. This is all right, but it's just a case of there's no clear offer. It's just a case of, at this insurance company, we provide best insurance solutions for landlords and property owners. Okay, well, what are these best insurance? You're so good saying, yeah, we offer the best insurance, but what are the best solutions? Why should they get a click with you? What is it that is unique about your product that people are clicking on? And also the same with this is a very skewed offer. So win a £200 Amazon voucher, save with us, save 50% on your caravan insurance, share your renewal date with us for a chance to win £200 Amazon voucher. So what are you wanting them to get a quote now? Are you wanting them to share a renewal date? The problem with that is you potentially are going to get people who are obviously renewals in 8 months, 9 months time, which is fine for you to remarket to later, but you would be better off just offering 50% discount for caravan insurance and just drive the traffic straight for that message, instead of offering 50% insurance, £200 for a voucher, provide renewal date. It's a very skewed offer on what they're trying to do. And this is also another sort of bad offer in my opinion. Mainly with the creative, things are happening so quick you can't really read this. What is it? Obviously it's home insurance, but the messaging is just very, very fast. You can't really read that. If you read here, did you know that standard home insurers often won't provide cover if you have something slightly unusual about your circumstances? So what is an unusual circumstance? Because what I might feel is an unusual circumstances, these insurers potentially won't, or what I feel is a usual circumstances, these insurers potentially won't. So it's to give some explaining on the offer, just to clarify, what are the top 5 things that people have that is unusual about their home insurance that you could add to that, because then people say, oh, that's me, I actually have that issue, I'll click this ad because it's obviously an unusual circumstance. And it's just changing that offer, changing the creative, and potentially for this ad here, it's just making sure you can actually read what it's saying. So they're bad offers in my opinion. what good offers? Well, I'm going to explain my opinion what a good offer is here. I'll just move me. So this is for a company to, again, pet insurance sucks, so we've changed it. I'm not a huge fan of the message there, but the offer, if you look, lifetime cover, £0 excess options available, dental covered but standard, and you can choose between. So these are features and these are offers that are being made. Pet insurance made simple to get quote. The offer's all right. It could be an improvement made, but it's a very clear offer. It's a good one. Again, one of my favourites is this one in the middle here. It's a new puppy, no worries. Whatever 2021 brings, blah blah. Here's some features: up to 12,500 each year for pet fees. All policies are lifetime protection and illness and injuries. And then the message is calling out people, obviously, with a new puppy. So that is a really good offer in my opinion. An ad like that is going to generate some good clicks. And then we've got this one down here, unbiased opinion. This is actually an ad that we produced. So it's a landlord property insurance, get the quote. So the message is very clear on the actual creative side, what it is, what the call to action is. It's for landlord property insurance, get the quote. And then the actual offer itself, it's just sort of basically, does your landlord insurance have this? This is going to stop people from scrolling. They're going to go, well, interest, I'm a landlord, does it have this? And then just some stats to potentially give some FOMO, to potentially give some fear about it. It says here, 47% of those surveyed said they had bad tenants who failed to pay on time. 26% say that their tenants break items and refuse to pay. And then just down here, some actual product features and what it is that they cover: standard homes, landlords, high value HMO, commercial properties, flood risk, unoccupied, holiday home, that type of stuff for their landlord products. So again, a good offer as far as is a clear identified call to action. So that's the importance of an offer in my opinion. If you're running Facebook ads, it applies to any other type of marketing ads that you're running. The actual offer that you're making to people is very important. So if you're looking for help on this, look, we help insurance companies add another 50 to 100k in policy sales per month with paid Facebook marketing. We do this by identifying what it is your goals are, where you're looking to go in the next 3 to 6 months time. Obviously, if I believe we can help, we'll plan out that full 50 to 100k per month complete action plan with you. And then as the agency, we run, maintain, develop, improve, or create your Facebook ads, and we run ads for purchases and leads. So we're not trying to get your likes, comments, grow engagement, just drive traffic. We're actually running ads for purchases and leads. And on top of that, we do provide bi-weekly reporting and monthly strategy calls to keep you in the loop of what's going on. So if you're interested at all in that, so the last thing I want to say is book in a call. On that call, if you're interested on that call, we'll see if you're a good fit for what it is we do. If so, I'll make you an offer. Completely no pressure, the decision's yours. But, if we're not a good fit, no worries. We'll just provide you some sort of custom plan to make the basic first steps yourself. There is, just to let you know, no guarantee that we will make the offer to be a part of our company and client base. But if we do, obviously the decision is yours to go ahead. If you're the decision maker, you're serious about having this service done for you, you're serious about making results, you're fed up of having ads that just aren't getting clicks, you're fed up of paying those really high Google ad prices, you're fed up of having to compete with 4 or 5 other companies after a lead provider selling your leads, book in a call with me. We'll have a discussion. If we can help you out, I'll make you an offer. Simple as that. So apart from that, appreciate it. I hope you've learned something. Hope you found some value, and hope to chat with some of you soon. Cheers.